Hey there, money enthusiasts. Welcome to a power-packed video where we distill the timeless money lessons from legendary authors. From Warren Buffett's sage advice to Nassim Nicholas Taleb's risk mastery, we're diving into the essentials of financial success. Discover the secrets of adaptability, resourcefulness, and social capital from the great minds like Dale Carnegie and Thomas J. Stanley. Unleash the power of a growth mindset and learn how to thrive in the digital age with insights from Paul Vigna and Walter Isaacson. Join us on this whirlwind tour of financial wisdom that covers everything from sustainable investing to philanthropy. Hit subscribe, ring the notification bell, and let's kickstart your path to financial mastery together. Seizing opportunities early, a path to financial prosperity. John Bogle astutely observed, "Time is your friend, impulse is your enemy." This timeless wisdom resonates in renowned financial literature such as George S. Clason's The Richest Man in Babylon and Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad, emphasizing the significance of initiating financial actions early, even if they are modest. A testament to this principle is Warren Buffett, who, at the age of 11, made his initial stock investment. Although the amount was modest, the passage of time played a pivotal role, allowing his investments to burgeon exponentially. Diversification, balancing risk through strategic investments. Warren Buffett's counsel, "Do not put all your eggs in one basket," encapsulates the essence of diversification. While Buffett himself is known for concentrated investments, he advocates diversification for most investors. Burton G. Malkiel's A Random Walk Down Wall Street takes this concept further, recommending a diversified portfolio across various asset classes. Modern portfolio theory aligns with this strategy, advising investments in stocks, bonds, and real estate to mitigate risks. Continuous learning, a lucrative investment. Benjamin Franklin asserted, "An investment in knowledge pays the best interest." Financial education, highlighted in Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad and Daniel Kahneman's Thinking, Fast and Slow, is depicted as an ongoing process. Platforms like Coursera and Masterclass, offering courses on investment and money management, exemplify the principle of lifelong learning. Emotional mastery, a key to financial success. Warren Buffett's assertion, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient," underscores the importance of emotional discipline. This principle is emphasized in Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor and Mark Douglas's Disciplined Trader, especially evident during the 2008 financial crisis, where patience proved to be a lucrative virtue. Frugality and smart living, foundations of wealth. Warren Buffett's adage, "If you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell things you need," is a cornerstone in financial literature such as The Millionaire Next Door and The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. Living within means is crucial, exemplified by Warren Buffett's relatively modest lifestyle despite immense wealth. The significance of passive income streams. Robert Kiyosaki's advocacy that money works for you, not the other way around, is mirrored in The 4-Hour Workweek by Timothy Ferriss. Creating systems for income generation without active participation in real estate, stocks, or intellectual property aligns with the goal of reducing dependence on traditional employment for sustenance. Networking, building wealth through connections. Reid Hoffman's insight, "Your network is your net worth," is expounded upon in Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People and Keith Ferrazzi's Never Eat Alone. Building genuine relationships can lead to new opportunities, partnerships, and insights that may otherwise remain inaccessible. Skepticism, a shield against financial pitfalls. Richard Templar's warning, "The problem with quick and easy is that it often leads to slow and hard," is a common thread in books like Nassim Nicholas Taleb's Fooled by Randomness, and Frank Abagnale's Scam Me If You Can. Advocating skepticism ensures thorough scrutiny of opportunities to prevent falling for too good to be true schemes. Time management, prioritizing time as a valuable asset. Jim Rohn's reminder, time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time, is echoed in Deep Work by Cal Newport and The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. Effective time management is shown to lead to long-term financial prosperity. Risk and reward, calculated risks for substantial gains. T.S. Eliot's insight, only those who will risk going too far can possibly find out how far one can go, is corroborated in The Intelligent Investor and Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Calculated risks are emphasized for substantial financial gains, emphasizing the importance of prudence to avoid financial ruin. Multifaceted skills, the art of skill stacking. Scott Adams's concept of skill stacking, from How to Fail at Almost Everything and Still Win Big, aligns with So Good They Can't Ignore You by Cal Newport. Combining non-extraordinary skills to create an extraordinary career is showcased in Adams' success in merging mediocre artistic skills with business acumen to create the Dilbert comic strip. Track and manage, monitoring financial progress. The adage, what gets measured gets managed, as emphasized in Your Money or Your Life and I Will Teach You to Be Rich, recommends tracking income, expenses, and investments. Platforms like Mint and Personal Capital simplify this process, ensuring comprehensive financial management. Financial goals, a blueprint for success. Bo Jackson's advice, set your goals high and don't stop till you get there, finds resonance in The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles and Think and Grow Rich. Detailed financial goals act as guides, quantifying progress and shaping effective strategies. Individual thinking, defying conformity for superior results. Sir John Templeton's assertion, it is impossible to produce superior performance unless you do something different from the majority, aligns with contrarian thinking in books like The Black Swan by Nassim Nicholas Taleb and Against the Gods by Peter L. Bernstein. Examples like Warren Buffett making lucrative investments when others panic underscore the benefits of independent thinking. Long-term vision, patience as a wealth-building virtue. Charlie Munger's insight, the big money is not in the buying or the selling but in the waiting, is reflected in books like The Long View by Brian Featherstone and The Snowball, Warren Buffett and the Business of Life. Consistency and patience emerge as key factors in achieving millionaire status. Self-discipline, the cornerstone of financial excellence. Aristotle's wisdom, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act but a habit, resonates in books like The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy and The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. Financial success is portrayed as a marathon, with small, consistent actions compounding over time to yield significant outcomes. In Nassim Nicholas Taleb's Anti-Fragile and Peter L. Bernstein's Against the Gods, the emphasis lies on managing risk. Both authors argue that understanding and navigating risk intelligently is essential for financial success. Taleb introduces the concept of anti-fragility, where individuals and portfolios not only withstand shocks but thrive in uncertain conditions. Bernstein delves into the history of risk and its role in shaping financial markets, highlighting the importance of prudently managing risks for long-term success. Adaptability, thrive in changing economic landscapes. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution, explored in On the Origin of Species, extends beyond biology to financial success. Authors like Nassim Nicholas Taleb in Anti-Fragile and Yuval Noah Harari in Sapiens suggests that adaptability is crucial in navigating changing economic landscapes. Being resilient to uncertainties and adapting to evolving financial scenarios is key to staying ahead in the game. Resourcefulness, making the most of what you have. In The Millionaire Next Door, Thomas J. Stanley emphasizes resourcefulness as a hallmark of financial success. The book showcases how millionaires often excel at making the most of their resources, finding innovative solutions and avoiding unnecessary expenditures. This lesson resonates with the idea presented in Tim Ferriss's The 4-Hour Workweek, where efficiency and resource optimization are key components of financial freedom. Social capital, investing in relationships. Dale Carnegie's classic How to Win Friends and Influence People focuses on building social capital, emphasizing the value of genuine relationships. Networking and cultivating meaningful connections, as reinforced in Keith Ferrazzi's Never Eat Alone, are considered investments with potential financial returns. Your network not only enriches your personal life but can also open doors to valuable opportunities, partnerships, and insights that contribute to financial success. Innovation, creating value in unconventional ways. In 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel and The Innovator's Dilemma by Clayton M. Christensen, the authors emphasize the importance of innovation in creating substantial wealth. Thiel advocates for the creation of unique, groundbreaking businesses that move from 0 to 1, while Christensen explores disruptive innovation as a means to stay ahead in a rapidly changing economic landscape. Both books underscore the potential for significant financial gains by thinking outside conventional boundaries. Mindset shift, from scarcity to abundance. Shifting from a mindset of scarcity to abundance is a key theme in The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey and Mindset by Carol S. Dweck. Covey's principles encourage individuals to adopt an abundance mentality, believing in limitless opportunities and collaboration. Dweck's work explores the concept of a growth mindset, emphasizing the belief that abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Such mindset shifts can positively impact financial decisions and outcomes. Environmental impact, sustainable investing. In recent times, authors like Paul Hawken in Drawdown and Joel Solomon in The Clean Money Revolution highlight the importance of considering environmental impact in financial decisions. Sustainable investing, ethical choices, and environmentally conscious financial strategies are becoming integral aspects of wealth management. Understanding the environmental consequences of financial decisions can contribute not only to personal wealth but also to a more sustainable future. Philanthropy, the Joy of Giving. The Gospel of Wealth by Andrew Carnegie and Giving, How Each of Us Can Change the World by Bill Clinton emphasize the joy and responsibility of giving back. These books argue that accumulating wealth comes with the duty to contribute to society positively. Philanthropy, whether through foundations or personal initiatives, not only makes a difference in the world but can also bring a sense of fulfillment and purpose to the financial journey. Cultural intelligence, navigating global markets. In a globalized world, understanding cultural nuances and international markets is crucial. Culture Code by Clotaire Rapaille and The World is Flat by Thomas L. Friedman delve into the impact of culture on decision-making and the interconnectedness of the global economy. Developing cultural intelligence can provide a competitive edge in financial endeavors by enabling effective engagement with diverse markets and opportunities. Leveraging technology, embracing the digital age. The Age of Cryptocurrency by Paul Vigna and Michael J. Casey explores the transformative impact of digital currencies on finance. In The Innovators by Walter Isaacson, the author chronicles the history of digital innovations and the individuals behind them. Embracing technological advancements, understanding digital trends, and incorporating them into financial strategies are essential for staying relevant and thriving in the digital age. And there you have it, folks. We've navigated through a treasure trove of financial wisdom from some of the greatest minds. Now, it's your turn to apply these lessons and embark on your journey to financial mastery. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, the key is not just in absorbing knowledge, but in taking actionable steps towards financial prosperity. Subscribe for more insightful content, hit that notification bell, and let's continue this journey of financial enlightenment together. Until next time, may your investments be prosperous and your wealth journey be filled with success.